Hi, my name is Jose with Garage Gurus, and today I will show you how to do a misfire monitor profile correction using some of the aftermarket tools that we have out here. Well, let's get started. We have a 2023 F-150, and we're using our car deck 3, which we're already connected to the vehicle. One of the things that we're going to do with this application is that we're going to identify the vehicle, which in this case we have, as you can see here. And one of the things that we're going to do is we're actually going to do perform this function by going into the service functions. So we'll go into the wrench, and then we can see here that we have a misfire neutral profile correction that we can do as a service. This is really, really important because when we work on this vehicle, especially we're doing like VVT, we replace the chain, a facer, or anything like that, or if we replace the clutch, this is something that we have to take in place in order to learn that reluctor the proper way so we can actually count for misfires. So the way that an engine or a PCM will calculate misfires is by reading the revolutions per minute on that crankshaft sensor. So it's really, really important for us to do this calibration. If we don't do this calibration, we could actually read false misfires. So therefore, this is really, really important and vital for us to do with the proper equipment. So in this case, we have this application, and we're gonna do this function. So we're going to go to the bottom right here, and we're gonna run the service procedure. And it tells us right here that the vehicle has to be at a certain temperature. It also tells us that if we've done any of the following, for example, replace the PCM, crankshaft sensor position, camshaft sensor position, and also any internal repairs for us to do this function as well. It tells us as well that it has to be either in park or neutral, also that we have to apply the parking brake. So those are the things that we have to take into account if we don't have those specific conditions there where we can't do this function. So we're gonna hit OK. But before we do that, we're gonna go and turn the vehicle on, get the vehicle started so we can perform this function. So now that we have the vehicle started, we're gonna hit OK. And it tells us that in the process, we're gonna have to accelerate to a certain RPM. And it tells us that it has to be greater than 80 Celsius. So right now we're at 69. So we're gonna get this vehicle warm up, get it to the temperature, and then we come back when we have that temperature ready to go. So now that we have reached temperature, it tells us to raise the RPM up to 3,400 RPM. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have to do it around twice. So I'm gonna go run to the truck and do it. So once we brought that engine up to 3,400 RPM, around 2 times, we could see that the service procedure completed. Again, this is really, really important for us to do, especially where we're diagnosing for misfires. Make sure that we have that monitor status working. If it's not, then this is one of the things that we can always do. You know, we can always relearn this misfire monitor profile correction to make sure that we have that monitor working and everything is working around it. Again, with Garage Gurus, my name is Jose. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more information and videos like this, please go to garagegurus.tech.